coming up, he's 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 coming up. It's there.
That information has been deleted.
Uh-oh. Well, where is this thing?
Location unknown. However, a large transport left this facility yesterday. It was headed for the Obani moon system.
The Obani moons, huh? Well, we better check it out.
Are you interested in a career in the exciting field
Obani
of
moon.
building security, execution, or VCR repair? Visit the job fair on level 2.
How do I go there?
Yeah,
Why?
you just have to beat that boss.
Okay, I have to see the missions. Oh, yes, I have to. So let's beat it right away.
Yeah.
Where I can get health? No, when I die. Should I make a suicide?
Yeah.
Whoa! Okay, now I just go to... There's that strange spaceship.
Which you have to destroy lähitulevaisuudessa.
Yes, that's the boss.
Yeah.
Who is controlling that?
Me?
You.
I am controlling it.
Oh, you are a very bad flyer. Flight officer. You are not a pilot. Did you know that?
I am a pilot.
You are a sailor.
I have pilot papers.
You use your ship, not spaceship. Original ship. You are a sailor. Oh no. It's destroying its own planet.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, there comes the boss.
Yeah.
Let's go there.
Yeah. Now it becomes.
Here it comes. To shoot it. What if I use my secret agents?
They don't help you. Oh yeah, they help you.
I use all my secret agents.
Oh, there he goes.
What a coward! What is he trying to do?
Don't know.
a good show. Yes. Ratchet can be blind. Just a little bit. No, don't use your fucking lasers. You need another weapon. I use. Try that
This one.
nitro blaster. You mean nitro launcher? I mean. Yes, this. Oh, there it goes. There's some health. Yes, I need. There comes the music video. Put some voice so we can, with the voice.
Check it out.
No, I
Looks
like
like
this part.
somebody's a big
Yes.
fan of Courtney Gears.
Courtney who?
Come on, remember that bombshell handing out prizes on Annihilation Nation?
Ah, yes. Her specifications were remarkable.
Yeah, well, she's not the hottest pop star in the galaxy because of her singing.
That is odd. It appears this computer was recently used to edit one of her music videos.
Oh, let's watch it. I mean, you know, it may contain a clue or something.
Yeah, what's up, people? It's Courtney Gears. Are you feeling me, robots? I'm feeling you. I see the future, and what do I see? Robots going crazy across the galaxy. Cats and organics, they're soft and squishy. The time is now, where robots must be free. Do you wanna be free? Then shout with me, yeah! This goes out to all you robots across the galaxy. It's time for you and me to rise up and strike back. Don't stop until we dominate. Won't you feel great when we exterminate all organic life?
Whoa. She wants to destroy all organic life.
Miss Gears may be in league with Dr. Nefarious.
Yeah, who knew? She always seems so sweet and innocent in her videos. Well, except for that one with the... You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
She might possess information about what Nefarious is planning.
Oh, right. And if we win that grand prize on Annihilation Nation, we'll get another chance to talk to her.
Okay, and now you'll have to win the grand prize of the Annihilation Nation to talk with the Courtney Gears. Oh yeah. But I think that's is in the next episode. Yeah. There's our spaceship. So see you in the next episode, guys.